On the screen is my email address. If you are interested in coming to work with JB Hunt, send me an email, moses@driversuccess.com, and I will have Susan call you to see what's available in your area. Just send me your name, your phone number, and your zip code, and then Susan will give you a call. Also, if you have any question, or if you want me to cover something in the videos that I make, again, just send me an email, moses@driversuccess.com, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I possibly can.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get...
So my first stop is going to be at McLean in Arlington, and then from there I have a pickup from Arlington at Williams-Sonoma, and then I head to Wiley, and then we'll see what they give me after that.
Get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you.
This is it right here on the left hand side. And they are hiring for those of you who want to work in the food industry. Alright, let me see. Thankfully they have an empty right there. Oh, okay.
Yeah, there is no spots here.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you. Okay, so there's one spot and the guy is using it to train. I'm just gonna go to the office and they will let me know where they want me to drop this. So I'm gonna take them the paperwork and then they will let me know where they want me to drop it.
I got you. Don't play me, cause you're pushing me away. Don't say to me that we'll talk another day. Cause my phone won't be ringing anyway. That's how you roll.
Nobody was telling me where to drop it, but thankfully I found a spot to drop it. Even the office people were not telling me where to drop it. Alright, I'm hooked up to my empty. I just need to do my unloaded call and I'll be out of here. The pickup that I'm gonna do is not really far from here. It's just like on the other side. So I'm excited because I'm gonna take some time off work. I'm planning on taking off 2 weeks, but I'm gonna take them off separately so we can spend some time together as a family. The first week is going to be at the end of this month, and then the second week will be at the beginning of August. We are planning on taking a trip at the end of this month, the first week that I'm going to take off. We are going to take a trip down to the Houston area, so we can just spend some time down there, just a short road trip. We haven't been there, so we'll see how that goes.
I got you. What I do is try to give you more than words.
This is it. William Sonoma, Arlington, Texas.
Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need.
I'm looking for space 527. 527, this is it. This is my trailer.
What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit it.
So, look at that. That thing is high. Now, the reason why this is high like that is because where we drop the empties, it's kind of like a tricky place. And so some drivers don't know about it. And so what they do, they let that landing gear go all the way down. Yet the best thing to do is kind of leave it somewhere around, maybe here, and then it will be good. Okay, so I'm gonna have to work this thing so that I can close that gap. What has really helped is that this load right here is really light, and so getting it down has been really easy.
Only 'cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we.
They just hooked me up with 2 more pre-plans. So after I drop this load in Wiley, I'm gonna pick up a load out of there, coming back to DeSoto, drop it at Lowe's, head over to Walmart in DeSoto, pick up a load that goes back to Haslett.
What we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.
This place right here is a little challenging for a truck. Like, you have to be really slow going through it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. This right here.
Turn right on South SH 360.
You see this curve? It's a really small curve. I think they didn't think of trucks when they were putting it here. You can see some trucks get on top of the curve. Supposing it's mostly the the sleeper trucks, the ones that have sleepers that find a challenge. Or if somebody doesn't know how to maneuver it nicely. It's really tight. So I'm just gonna take
Turn left at the stop sign.
I'm gonna take the 161 all the way to the 78.
The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say
So I'm just gonna take the turnpike, this one right here, President George Bush Turnpike, which is the 161, all the way until I hit the 78. 78 runs me right to the rail, the Wiley rail.
say what you mean, say what you mean. And you'll get what you need, get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only because it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you, I got you, I got you.